Let me be blunt. Most people don't sound unprofessional because of grammar. They sound unprofessional because of the words they keep repeating. And the worst part? You don't even realize it. If you're still saying things like, I'm busy, I think, or ASAP, you're quietly damaging how people perceive you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you 15 simple upgrades, phrases you already use every day, but in a way that makes you sound clearer, more confident, and more professional instantly. No fancy vocabulary, just real workplace English. We'll fix this in 5 situations: when you're busy, in meetings, when you're asking for something, when you make mistakes, and how real office conversations actually sound. Stay till the end. Most people completely miss the last part. Let's start with the most common ones used when busy or want to delay. If you say, I'm busy, start saying, I'm tied up right now, or I'm at capacity. Same situation, completely different impression. For delaying, if you say, I'll do it later, say this now, I'll get to it by EOD. EOD means end of day, or simply say, I'll circle back. Vague sounds unreliable. Specific builds trust. If you want someone to wait, better say this, give me a moment. One sounds like an order. One sounds professional. And it gets worse in meetings when you want to project your authority on a given discussion or topic. Don't say, I think. Instead, start with, in my view, or I'd recommend. You're not guessing, you're presenting. When suggesting some idea, you should avoid, maybe we can, but go with, we should consider. Stop sounding unsure. When you are not sure about your idea, don't say, I don't know. Say this, let me check and get back to you. Professionals don't guess, they follow up. Now this is where most people lose respect, when they sound impolite. When you want work get done, don't say, do this, get this done. Instead say, could you please take this up? Same task, different tone. If you want to know details of something, don't say, tell me, explain. Say this, could you walk me through? If you want something to be completed, responded in time-bound manner, don't shout, get it fast. Do it ASAP. Instead, say this, do it by EOD, at your earliest convenience. Pressure kills cooperation. Now watch how professionals handle mistakes. When late, don't say, sorry I'm late. Express this way, apologies for the delay. If you didn't remember something, don't say, I forgot. Instead say, that slipped my mind. If you made a mistake, don't simply say, my mistake, but express yourself and say, that's on me. I'll fix it. Own it, but sound composed. And this is how real office conversations actually sound. If discussion going off track, don't say, let's talk later. Instead, say this, let's take this offline. If you want updates on something, don't say, update me, but say, keep me posted or keep me in loop. If you are not agreeing on some points, don't say, let's meet, but respond with, let's sync up. This is how real conversations sound at work today. You don't need perfect English. You need the right phrases. Start using even 5 of these, and people will notice the difference immediately. Most people won't fix this. If you do, you stand out. For more real workplace English like this, subscribe. You may share this with a friend who needs these upgrades.